Hey guys, Todd here. Today we're going to install the Gator SFX soft tri-fold cover on the 2022 Ford Maverick. Now make sure you're subscribed to our channel to stay up to date with all our latest content. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, now when you take your cover out of the box, typically gravity has shifted your clamps to one side and your tether straps will be on the other side. What we're going to do is keep our tether straps in the center, take one of your clamps, slide it through the tether straps to the other side. And now we can go ahead and put the cover on top of the bed of the truck. Make sure that the clips are going to be facing towards the cab of the truck. We're just going to get it centered right over top of the bulkhead. Undo the clips and then gently fold it back to the tailgate. Once it's at the tailgate, go ahead and center it side to side and front to back. Make sure it's where you want. And then very gently, making sure you don't shift the alignment of the cover, fold it back up to the bulkhead again. Now we can go underneath and set the clamps. All right, so now what we want to do is pull the clamp down from its storage position and rotate it towards the bed cap. You notice this plastic jaw of the clamp will actually go up and down. What we want to do is get it lined up with the bed cap and then twist the handle on the clamp to raise that jaw up. After it contacts the bed cap, we want to just snug it down, but don't over tighten it. You'll see the cover kind of come down while the seal gets compressed up there. All right, once it's nice and snug, what we're going to do is slide our tether strap in place. Now our clamp for our tether strap just kind of slides in and out. What we want to do is rotate that up and slide it to where it can bite down on that bed cap. And then we're just going to tighten up our tether strap. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. All right, now once we fold the cover back to the tailgate, we'll notice that our tail clamps, they slide back and forth inside the channel. We want to drop it down out of the channel. They're also spring loaded. So what we're going to do, notice this jaw right here, we're going to bring it to the bed cap, pull it down, and then get the jaw underneath there. Repeat the same on the opposite side. Well, that concludes the installation. If you found this video helpful, make sure and give us a thumbs up. If you want to know more about the product, check the link in the description below. As always, if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.